So what's your first reaction to seeing the golf sim?
Oh, it's unbelievable. Like, I didn't realise how big it was going to be, and that's perfect. And the lighting's really good as well, because I usually find, you know, when it's dark inside, like, it's quite hard to see the ball, but when I have the light on, it's perfect. And it's great that in the winter time I can just practice my wedges and my yardages and stuff and be nice and warm inside.
Yeah, absolutely. So how do you see a golf sim helping your game, obviously?
Yeah, well, I just see it, rather than being on a range in the cold winter on the outside, and you don't quite, because you're cold outside, you're not quite swinging it as like how freely as you want to be, but at least I'm inside and warm, and I really get to work on the stuff that my coach will be telling me, and I can just hit balls on the practice area, on the range, and just work on my wedge distances as well, like the grouping of it as well, so it's perfect.
You obviously know your yardage,
yeah.
Bang inside out. How does it feel? Does it feel realistic?
Yeah, 100%. I was hitting my half gap wedge earlier, exactly to where I thought it should be going, and that kind of, you know, definitely put a good thing in my head.
Hi, I'm Chris from Golf Sim Rooms. We've just finished building this lovely golf simulator for Charley Hull. We specialise in the design and build of golf simulation spaces. So we fit out existing rooms, we build our own, we do log cabins, we do all manner of different lovely golfy things. So we've gone with an Optoma projector in this build, 6,000 lumens. It's a ZK608TST. It offers a lot of versatility, especially for our style of builds where we might have to play around with throw ratios. Different bits and pieces, it means we can get it a lot closer than other models. Also, the fidelity and picture clarity is just unreal. Brightness is amazing, and the geometric correction is just bonkers. We've got in here Foresight GC Quad. This is the Quad Max, and it's a Tour edition that's been made specially for Charley Hull. So we've got a Foresight dual layer impact screen on this. The space is just over 6 meters wide. The visible screen dimensions are around 5.2 by 2.7. I'm extremely pleased with the final result of this room. It's a very, very clean finish. I think there's not one standout thing in here. A lot of the lighting is per our typical design. It's just the size of the space. It's impressive. The actual design of it, the clean look, there's nothing too cluttered in here. It's just a nice tidy finish. Everything just works quite well. Optoma have always been incredibly responsive. Day or night, any sort of silly times that we might be working to, we always get a response. We always get our questions answered. The support and the backup is just incredible. And as well as that, the products are just, we've been through a lot of different manufacturers of projectors. We've tried as many units as you could find. Optoma, for us, second to none. They just do everything we need them to do, and the backup and the support we get is just excellent. So if anyone would like to get in touch, you can go to our website, golfsimrooms.co.uk.
At Optoma, golf sims have become a key part of what we do. With projection, it very much does things that other ways of making digital images can't. And this is one of the uses that really does do that, because you can't be hitting a golf ball at 100 and however many miles an hour straight at a display, and projection allows you to be able to create this simulation of real golf. You know, working on this project, working with Golf Sim Rooms has been really key for us, and the projection that we now produce is with golf sims in mind. When people are playing golf, they want green greens, they want blue blues. That's what you get from Optoma projection. We also make sure the service is right. You do not want your sim to be down. You want to be able to come in, play golf, and especially someone like Charlie, who obviously is a professional, will want to be able to access this simulator at any time to be able to practice. The weather's bad outside. You know, Optoma projection is made for this. You know, we partner with people like Golf Sim Rooms because of the expertise they've had. You can see by this installation the quality that you can get and that real feel that you're actually playing golf. You know, we've really enjoyed being able to support this project, and we really hope that Charlie has it as part of her success in the future.